So over here, you can see that I have this project right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to export it, but save it to my Google Drive after exporting. Since Google Vids is a Google service, you can directly export this out into your Google Drive directly. So to do that, you can go around over here on the top where you see share right here. You can click on the down arrow button right here and choose export to drive. Once you do that, the project will render out and simply export out to drive right here. You can also go around on the file and choose export to drive option right here, just like this. And then you can see that you can open it directly in your Google Drive. And you can see that it is still processing right here, just like this, because it's just been exported. But you can go ahead and download it off your Google Drive now as well. So whatever projects you export out, it'll actually be saved onto your Google Drive just like this, as you can see, and you can go ahead and download them out whenever you want. Or you can simply go ahead and, let's say for example, preview this out right here as well. So this one is done, as you can see, and you can see the preview of the video just like this, as you can see. And you can even go ahead and change the settings as you want, and then preview it out as needed. And that is how you can export out your project directly to Google Drive from Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.